Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drum light assembly in your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the light's not working at all, or because the housing is damaged and it's not staying in place. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So we're going to turn our dryer around. So we need to remove these two screws right here. We're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver. And once we've got those screws out, we can pull the top back and then lift it off and put it off to the side. So now we're going to unscrew these two screws here. We'll take off the grounding wire. And now we'll unplug all these wires here. And just make sure when you're removing these wires that you're pushing it on the tabs to release the wires from the board. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have 6 screws total we've got to remove. We've got 2 here, 2 inside the door, and 2 at the bottom. Close the door up again. Now to make this a little bit easier, for the last 2 we're going to get a piece of wood and we're going to set it underneath the dryer. Now all you have to do is just slightly lift on the bulkhead and it should come right out. So now that we've got the control panel out of the way, you can see the drum light assembly right here. So we're going to unplug it, and if you're having trouble like I am, you can pop it out first. So you're just going to push on the tab right here just like that and keep your other hand inside so it doesn't fall in, and now it'll be easier to grab that wire and unplug it. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement drum light assembly, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're going to put the drum light assembly in. We're going to put it in through the inside, and then we're just going to plug in the wires here first. And once the wires are plugged in, you can line up the small tabs, put that on the outside of this, and if you push it in, it'll snap into place. So now what we're going to do is we're going to line up these tabs here and put those into the slots. There's going to be 4 tabs total. So now I'm going to screw in the screws up top first. So now we'll plug all of our wires back in. There we go. So now we're going to slide our control panel up, and you're going to line up the holes down here with the little tabs that are sticking out. And we're just going to reattach our grounding wire here. Now we're just lining up our holes and screwing it back in. Now we'll put the top panel back on. And when we do this, we'll just slide it all the way forward until it's in place. And then line up your screw holes and screw it back in. Now we can turn it back around. And your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.